Okay, so this is our incubator. It's see-through, so you don't have to continuously open up the lid and check the eggs. It's got everything. It's got the whatever that's called, the thermometer and stuff on the front. And how many eggs will this thing hold?
41.
41 eggs.
LCD display, easy fill water. It's the top of the line. I'll look up how much it costs here real quick.
It's got an automatic rotator, if I remember right. It's got two little red things that you pull out to measure the temperature. If it's too hot, you open up one. If it's way too hot, you open up two. And just trying to maintain the temperature. And so let's dig into this. Don't have a fucking knife. Dad, do you have your pocket knife? Thank you.
Farm Innovators Model 4250 digital circulation air incubation with automatic egg turner, purchased on Amazon for $119.95. The lower options models were all within $10-15 in price, 20 some of them.
Just kind of push it off to the, just, no, the large, there you go.
Okay. Mine's a whole lot easier to put away. Alright.
So in the additions that this one has that the next model below it doesn't have, this one has a plastic outer shell to protect styrofoam and provide durability, and it has an egg handler included for monitoring the developmental progress of the eggs. And then the next model down below that also does not come with the automatic egg turner. The next model below that does not have the forced air fan kit to circulate fresh air and improve temperature stability. And the model before that does not have the easy fill water channels to add water or the digital LCD control.
So that would be the,
Instructions. Which I already know a lot about these because the one in Iowa has the same. Okay, so this would be the heat fan. This would be the little thermometer. I'll put it over here for you. Here's the little red things I was talking about. You just pop them out, but I don't have fingernails. And here's the instructions. That's a candler.
needs batteries.
Yeah. This little candler, you set the egg inside here, and this thing, you just do that, and it should turn it on, and you can see the growth inside the egg. If there's no veins, nothing in the egg, that egg's not growing. You check them about 3 weeks. No, probably not that much. Probably like two weeks into the incubator. You check to see if there's any growth, and if there's not, that egg is probably not gonna hatch, and if it does, there's gonna be major problems. I'd be surprised if it does live. here is the automatic turner. You plug it in, and then it'll turn it very slowly, like its mother would. There's a plastic shell around the styrofoam to protect it.
As well with the top too.
Yeah.
It has the plastic and then styrofoam insulation on the inside. So let's get it all set up.
So, the instructions. That's in another language. Oh, there's the English side. Step 1. It is important to select a safe and stable location in your incubator. Avoid places where direct sunlight may come into contact with your incubator. Also, choose a location where the temperature is around 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
Consistent?
Yeah. Wait. Consistent. It's on the tip of my tongue, I know.
Consistently?
Consistent. Yeah. Without any drafts. Step 2. Remove the incubator from the packaging. The incubator comes in 2 parts, top and bottom. The top of the incubator is covered with a large observation window, power supply cord, heating element, and the LCD display panel with the incubator lights. Plug both the power supply cord and the automatic egg turner power cord into a recommended GFCI outlet. The bottom of the incubator is the remaining piece with the ease-filled water channel. Canal. There we go. Build into the styrofoam with a plastic mesh screen, which is that piece right there.
And there's a water port, and there is also one over here just opposite that.
And if you look, the screen
That's for humidity control.
yeah, and these screens come out too, so you can no, I almost got it. There's the canals that you fill up. I don't know what these black holes are for. Oh, empty.
That's the water fill
Yeah.
over there, and then there's a number 1 water fill over here.
Yeah. And then comes in and then just flows all through these, and then
That one's just got a smaller channel running around it. And then this is your primary over here on this side.
the mesh screen goes on top. Then the automatic egg turner, which
So
it'll start heating up and then
basically
get into humidity.
what we need is we got to be able to plug it in 2 different plug-ins
Got them?
on one device here. So
Actually,
we got to run this out through the side. There's a little groove cut in the side of this styrofoam to run that out through. So we'll go ahead and get the top laid on here and get it plugged in, and we'll plug in the top itself, get everything all hooked together, and then we're going to go ahead and try to scrounge up some eggs from our turkeys and maybe our guineas if we can find them. And then we're going to go ahead and incubate some eggs.
Okay, it's up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 percentage of humidity. Okay, so we're gonna be setting the eggs in. You want to go point down, right?
Point down, yep, handle as little as possible. So just barely touch them and put them in.
Okay, so now we're kind of going into the guinea egg stage sort of thing. This one's a clean egg. Now, giant turkey eggs.
We're hoping several of these are guinea eggs, but we don't know because at first the guinea eggs look quite a bit different than the chicken eggs.
Kind of green.
But then they started to look pretty similar. Yeah, those eggs are pretty big, so they're going to have to be one apart. Yeah.
Yeah, those guinea eggs were really tiny and narrow and kind of like this guy, but green. So we knew which ones were which. This time, ever since they've been getting more calcium and stuff and they've been growing, their eggs have been changing.
And their eggs look different too, just after they've been laying for a while. All new chickens, their eggs look kind of funny at first.
Yeah. I mean, those first two ones couldn't have been in there more than a couple days.
And we'll know in about 4 days if the first ones hatch, because a friend of those is hatching them out. All right.
It's gonna regain its.
Starts to flash.
It's regaining its deal. Hey, it looks green on the camera. This red light means it's regaining its heat. Its humidity haven't changed much, but everything's gonna start going up. You want it near 100 degrees ish. So.
All right.
So we're just using a turkey baster. That's what it said. Filling hole. Just take it out.
Pull the plug.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
Monitor and fill the easy fill water channel number 1 as needed to reach and maintain the humidity percentage. The 3 days prior to hatching, the humidity level should be increased, so fill the second hole.
Okay.
Okay, so let's leave that set and see what the humidity gets up to in a little bit. As a side note, you can go to OutSchool and sign your children up for online classes, just about any kind. And I'm teaching on OutSchool now. I'm really new here, so you can see I have several classes. Quite a few people have saved them, but only a few people have enrolled so far. There's animal classes for very young kids, applied animal behavior systems and theories. The canine enrichment activities, boredom busting is new and they haven't listed it yet, and somehow it got listed a couple times here. But there's a chicken care for children and future self-sufficiency class, and in that class is where we are talking about raising these baby chicks and everything else that you need to know about chickens. more classes about dogs, home alone, solving behavior problems, how to get an animal-related job, dog training and behavior classes online, which actually goes really well to teach dog training classes online. I've been doing it via Zoom for other people. There's dog potty training classes, starting your own pet sitting business, and all about dogs barking, growling, howling, snarling, that kind of stuff. I'm currently working with a severely dog aggressive and slightly people reactive dog, and I'll record that process too for my other channel, Dog Antics, dog training, when I get it up and running. Thanks for watching, and as always, please comment, like, share, subscribe. We love having you here. Thanks so much.